You see like a door, like when they're like.
Yeah. Bro, Harry's on. Yeah.
Bro, Harry.
Oh yeah, no. Good snap. I think it came out a bit blurry here. Oh yeah, nice snap.
Yeah, it's a little rat. Good dog, little cave one. Got the sugar on. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I got on.
Yours on. Get yours on, please. Get yours on. Get yours on. Get yours on, Rory. Don't want to get you on. Get yours on.
Get the net. 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 Look, I had that on film.
Alright.
Yeah. Okay.
Break it up quick.
Get it. Get it.
Hey, reel in some more. Just keep reeling in.
My line, my knot's getting stuck.
Hey, just keep reeling in.
My knot's getting stuck. Go get it. My knot got stuck, that's why. Nice, Kingy.
Careful, because there's a
Harry.
double hook.
Oh.
Okay.
Well, yeah, just undo that.
Yes, because I got double hook.
Get him, Harry. The bronzy's going to get him otherwise.
Trying.
Is it a good one, Harry?
Yeah, I think so. Good head shake.
Can you check?
I'll get the net.
Let's go, Harry!
Hooks out. Alright. What's up, bro?
What happened? Oh, it's right there. Get the net. Is it big? Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's a good one.
Come on, guys. Go, get the net, get the net. Go, get the net, real one. Hold it. Don't lose this.
Yeah, got him.
Yes! Was it bigger than Louis?
Oh, no.
No, it was a good fighting fish. It was like 80 centimetres, a bit bigger. You say, Johnny?
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Alright.